Welcome to Wickerson Studios. I am starting to organize my Patreon a little better, and I have it in three very basic groups. The one being learning Rhino with Grasshopper at the number one tier level, learning Grasshopper with plugins, the number two tier, and the number three tier will be learning Python with Grasshopper hops. Now they're all going to basically touch on hops, but if you're taking a look at what's happening here, the first one I'd like to show an example of is what's happening here, that I have a fairly large hop server running in Flask that is trying to teach Rhino through Grasshopper, and it is definitely focused in on the menu bar in Rhino 7, 6, 7, or whatever you have, looking in hard into the curve menu, because I think curves will drive the entire thing. And once you figure out curves and its complexity, and I have some interesting objects here that I use as kind of a sandbox to make things work, I'm pulling the Rhino 3DM API into Grasshopper and running those as scripts on an app Python server running in Visual Studio Code. And it's all here. It's I have to remember the size of the script as it goes through. Everything's pretty much running all at once, dealing with curves, planes, point grids, vectors, all the way through arcs, and it will then move on into surfaces. And I'm going to basically write this all from scratch on tutorials that are available for Patreons at that tier 3 level. So already there's a couple of thousand lines of code ready for you, just about. Sorting algorithms is where I've gotten to, still dealing with arcs closest point. But let's see where that ends up going. And that's my introductory video. If you're interested, I will start to generate this weekly, and it will be under the tier 1 level on my Patreon. So thanks very much for watching.